Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw USDT TRC20 from Trust Wallet. So first things first, you cannot basically withdraw it directly, or let's just say you cannot withdraw or send USDT directly from Trust Wallet to a bank. You must first transfer it to a crypto exchange like Binance, OKX, then sell it for your local currency, and finally withdraw to your bank account. So you have to go to your Trust Wallet right here, and then you have to make sure you have USDT TRC20 showing on your main screen. If you don't have, you can go to Manage Crypto, and then you have to look for USDT TRC20. Toggle this one on to make it sure that it will show up on your main screen. Once you have your USDT TRC20 right here, then you just have to basically open your Binance or crypto exchange. This time I'm going to use Binance. So open Binance right here. Now tap on Add Funds. And then here you have to look for on-chain withdraw. So you have to select on-chain withdraw right here. And then this time you have to look for USDT Tether. Select the TRC20 and network or Tron. So basically, again, select the network, make sure that this TRC20, and then copy the wallet address. Once done, exit, go to your Trust wallet. And then this time you have to look for the send option right here. And then here you have to paste the address that you have copied earlier from Binance. Send your USDT. And once you have successfully sent your USDT to your Binance, then what you're going to do next is you have to basically open your Binance, and this time you have to look for trade and then sell USDT. So go to sell, enter the amount of that currency or crypto that you want to sell. Now choose bank transfer e-wallet like GCash, PayPal, or others. Enter your bank details, confirm, and wait for your money to arrive. So in short, Trust Wallet, send USDT TRC20 to Binance Wallet, and then sell it for your fiat currency, withdraw to your bank. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.